This is the Steadicam Air carbon fiber airlift monopod. It's the Air-15. So this is rated for lifting cameras that weigh up to 15 pounds. There's also a Steadicam Air 25, but if you have a lighter weight DSLR camera, I think this is a better fit. That way you won't be forcing it down as hard against the gas piston. So hands-free foot pedal control of lens height. That's one of the interesting features of this monopod. Easier to adjust. So it says it has a 3-section carbon fiber construction, capacity is 15 pounds, and extension 28 inches minimum, up to 62 inches. You've got the Air-15 Monopod, the rubber foot, carrying bag, and an Allen key. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's got a shoulder strap here. And the other side here, you've got this handle, carrying it like that. And of course you have this buckle here that you can undo. I guess that allows you to quickly get it on and off your shoulder. You can adjust the length of it here using this strap. This additional padding here, you can adjust up and down. And let's open up the inside. All right, so looks like there is padding on either end with Velcro. This looks like a hand strap that you can put your hand through, secure it so it doesn't come off of your wrist accidentally. You can drop your camera on the ground. Set the storage and operating position. This is the storage position, I guess, when the foot is up, just like that. And then the operating position here, where the foot is down there. So it says pull out pedal housing and rotate counterclockwise to operating position. So go here, pull, and rotate. There you go. It's the operating position, and you could see that it wanted to pop out there and pull up and like that. Okay. So that is the storage position. All right, adjust foot pedal position, loosen red locking nut, and slide pedal stem to desired position. Tighten to secure adjustment. All right, so let's again, so you pull out the entire foot here, and then you rotate it down. And then to adjust how long this is, you loosen that, can adjust it up and down like that. Just set it somewhere in the middle, and you can see it wants to come out when you push it down like that. And then to retract, squeeze it together using, maybe that's 15 pounds of force right there, but this is the foot. You can hear it's that rubber squeaky sound. And then here is the bottom of the foot. You see it has little bumps there that I guess help it grip the surface of whatever floor you are putting it against. So to remove this, believe you stick in an Allen wrench or something in there and then twist it counterclockwise. And then you could insert something like the Steadicam air spreader in there if you wanted a three-legged base for this monopod. It does have this locking adjustment there for the top portion of it. Okay, that is not gas piston loaded or balanced, so that's just a normal section up there. You can see the foam hand grip here has a little etched Steadicam logo on it. Then this is the top mounting ring. So that looks like 3/8. And I believe you simply do it like that. And then you can see the inside thread here. That's 1/4-20 on the top. It's 3/8 on the bottom. So if you have that 1/4-20 mount, you take that and then you tighten it like that. And now it's a 1/4-20. So it's reversible. Reverse it back to 3/8. So that comes out like that. Flip this around there. And just drop it in. And you'll see inside here, there is a thread inside there. So that when you drop this in, it's a 3/8 thread. So as you turn it, thread's right in there. Nice and tight. So that is the Steadicam Air-15.